Morning, this is my shaman oracle reading for Sunday. Today I'm reading for all the zodiac signs. I'm using 2 card decks. One is an animal deck called the Illustrated Bestiary, and the other one is the Power of Love. And the reading here is for Taurus. Welcome, Taurus. The animal that came out for you is the barn owl. And the barn owl is about listening for spirit. On a dark moon night, the barn owl swoops low over the fields. Her wing beats not only are nearly silent, but they create a wake of quietude, a vortex of otherness. Crossing her path feels like crossing over into elsewhere. And so the barn owl has long been a messenger between the worlds, bringing word from the realm of spirits and ghosts. Barn owl hunts even on the darkest nights, her ears picking up the small chattering of mice and the soft sound of grass brushing against a rabbit's skin. Or maybe she is simply sensing their souls as they go about their nightly business. Close your eyes, the barn owl tells you, and open your ears to the sound of spirit. And the Power of Love card that came out is release. You have the ability to give over unwanted energies to the loving forces of the universe. The moment has arrived for you to truly usher in the healing power of love by letting go of all the illusions you have been holding on to that no longer serves your highest good. You now have the power to release the stagnant energy of old emotions and behaviors such as shame, regret, and self-criticism, and create a new space for love, self-acceptance, and forgiveness. You are an energetic being, and besides all the energy that you attract to you from within, an equal amount of energy is directed at you by external forces. You have no control over the intention behind this energy, but you do have control over whether you allow it into your space. So every day you walk through a minefield of energy, and you must be conscious of where you step. Nevertheless, as an empathetic, sensitive being, you will at times unknowingly absorb these foreign energies. So over time, the toxicity builds up in your aura, and you can begin to feel exhausted, depressed, and also unbalanced. So take the steps necessary to expel toxic energies from your space. Perform a ritual every time you bath, in which you envision a golden light washing away unwanted energy and so releasing it to the healing powers of Mother Nature. You can only be effective as beacon of love if you make the effort to keep your energy clear. When you constantly release the old and negative, you make room for the new and positive. So, Taurus, that was your reading. I wish you a wonderful Sunday. Thanks for listening. Take care and goodbye.